Think space is empty? Not even close. It's screaming. Most people think of space as a quiet, empty void, but it's not. Space is buzzing with invisible energy, plasma waves, radiation, even dark matter. Now, here's the mind-blowing part. There's no air, so we can't hear sound like we do on Earth. But space still makes noise. Astronomers take radio waves and convert them into audio. And what they've found is planets, stars, even black holes make actual sounds. NASA recorded the sound of a black hole in the Perseus galaxy. It's not just weird. It sounds like a cosmic monster growling in slow motion. Deep, echoing, unforgettable. Don't believe me? Search NASA black hole sound and it'll give you chills. Space isn't silent. It's screaming, and we're finally listening. Follow for more facts that blow your mind.